Wondering on how to solve this maths problem? Let's now begin with the solution. So make sure you also work it on your end and confirm the answer. So now we shall have 4 to the power of a plus 2 is equals to 45. So assuming that we have a to the power of m, then plus a to the power of n, this one can be written as a to the power of m multiplied by n. So in this case now we shall now have 4 to the power of a multiplied by 4 to the power of 2 is equals to 45. So that is 4 to the power of a shall remain to be 4 to the power of a, then multiplied by 4 to the power of 2 is 16 is equals to 45. So how do we remove this 16? It's the best solution is to divide both sides by 16. So divide by 16, then divide by 16. So 16 by 16 now shall cancel. So now 4 to the power of a is equals to 45 all over 16. Then the next part that you need to do is now to convert everything into the log. So that means that now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of a is equals to the log of 45 all over 16. Then from there now, assuming that we have, for example, the log of p to the power of m, this one can be written as m, the log of p. So for us to change it now, we shall now have a, the log of 4, is equals to the log of 45 all over 16. Then we shall put them into bracket. So the next thing that we need to do, assuming that we have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, this one can be written as the log of a minus the log of b. So here now shall now have a, the log of 4 is equals to the log of 45 minus the log of 16. So from here now we can now have it by now dividing both sides by the log of 4. So here now we shall divide by the log of 4. Then also this side shall also divide by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel. So now a is equals to the log of 45 minus the log of 16, then divide by the log of 4. So next now we shall say that a is equals to the log of 45 can be written as the log of 9 multiplied by 5, then minus log 16 can be written as the log of 4 to the power of 2. That means that 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. That is 4 to the power of 2 is 16. So then all over the log of 4. So now a is equals to, so we can still have it as the log of, so 9 can be written as the log of 3 to the power of 2, then plus the log of 5, then minus, so this one now can have it as log of 4 to the power of 2 can be written as 2, the log of 4. Then this one all over the log of 4. So the next one now shall say that our value for a is equals to, so the log of 3 to the power of 2 can be written as 2, the log of 3, then all over the log of 4 there, then plus, then here now shall now have the log of 5 all over the log of 4, then minus, so here now shall now have the log or 2 log 4, then all over the log of 4. So next now we shall say that a is equals to, so 2 log 3 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 4, minus log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so we shall now have minus 2. So assuming that we have the log of a all over the log of b, so this one can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So that is to mean that now our final answer shall be the value for a to be equals to 2, the log of 3 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then minus 2. So this one now concludes to be our most correct and accurate answer. So if you loved how we worked out this maths problem, you can subscribe to our channel. So let's now confirm this problem by having the question that you had. So we had 4 to the power of a plus 2 is equals to 45. So let's now work it out by now saying that here now shall now have 4 to the power of, so a is 2 to the log of 3 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then we shall now have plus 2, then plus 2 minus 2, this one is equals to 45. So next we shall say that here now shall have 4, so 2 log 3, that is like having the log of 3 to the power of 2, that is 9. So we shall now have 4 log 9 to the base of 4, then the plus means multiplication, 4 to the power of the log of 5 to the base of 4, then here now we shall now have nothing because 2 minus 2 is 0, then this one now is equals to 45. So next now we shall say that the log to the base of 4 shall cancel this 4, so now we shall remain with 9, the 9 multiplied by the log to the base of 4 shall cancel with this 4, the 9 multiplied by 5 is equals to 45. So what is 9 multiplied by 5? It is 45 is equals to 45. So it means that our answer is the same.